So I see us doing three things in this class. One is we are looking at and developing certain qualities of presence, what I call qualities of presence, okay? And let me just briefly share screen with you. Okay, so this is my list. The basic 7 are some of the qualities and capacities of presence. Presence is a very felt experience. Here's some of the qualities. Kindness, which some people would call compassion or love, different versions of that, or different intensities of that kindness. A sense of ground. So you could think of that as settled, grounded, substantial, substance, here-ness, that kind of quality. And you're not thinking this, you're in it. You are it. So you are ground, you are kindness. Openness is another of the qualities I'm hoping we're developing in this class. A kind of openness to discovering. I'm open, like what will happen? I have no idea what's going to happen. Spaciousness, which is similar but a little different than openness. Spaciousness is more a sense of less boundaries, less guardedness. So spaciousness. Basic trust is a term from the Diamond Approach work. What does that mean? Just like what it sounds it means. A little bit of trust in reality and the unfoldment of reality and the optimizing goodness in reality versus distrust. Clarity, just the perception is clear. I didn't have curiosity in here, but we can, you know me, that should be in here. Strength is another kind of felt sense of presence, but there's more we could talk about, but these are the big ones. I guess curiosity fits in with openness. Now this is from family systems, internal family systems, the 8 C's, which is very similar. I just thought I'd give you this because sometimes I've given this to clients. So the way this is more, they see it as developing higher self or the self. So you can think of these as also curiosity, sense of calm, confidence, just a version of my strength. Compassion, courage is also part of strength in my world. Clarity, creativity, and connectedness. Okay, so like I said, we're not going to go over these at length right now. I just want to mention that these are part of what we're working with in this class, always. Okay, because I feel like what we do with our clients and students is only a part of what's happening. It's what we are and how we are embodied and what is embodied. Okay, so we're looking at these qualities and paying attention to the qualities. When the qualities arise in our students or clients, we want to call attention to it in a very gentle way, like, wow, what does that feel like? What kind of calmness are you feeling? Is it melty? Is it soft? Is it light? Is it solid? The best way to cultivate the qualities is to study them, is to study the lived experience of them. That's the best way we cultivate them.